Hello everyone. Today I wanted to introduce my master project. This website is designed to convert the UML diagram into some code. Here there is a create button. This button is for all users who are familiar with the Plant UML test, and they can create the Plant UML test here and export the diagram. If the user wants to use more advanced features, he or she needs to register for an account and pay for some plan. We just click login. If you do not have any account, you need to register here. And if you have an account already and you do not have any plan, you need to pay for an plan. We have two plans for users. One is for who familiar with the Plant UML test. The Super VIP is for who do not familiar with the Plant UML test. So we just choose the Super VIP and we click select. And there are three payment options, but the Alipay and WeChat Pay is still under the development, so we just can only use the card for payment. We enter our testing card here. And we enter our information. And we click pay. So the payment has been successful. And we log in our account. Now we have entered into the create diagram for Super VIP. Here we can transfer the requirement into the Plant UML test. We click the transfer button here. A Plant UML test has been generated, and we can generate our UML diagram. After that, we can choose our program code that we want to generate. There are only three options here. I will add more in the future development. So here we choose Java, and we create the generate code here. Okay, that code has been generated. Now we need to verify that our generated code. So we click the run code here. We enter into a verification page. Before we verify our code, we need to transfer our generated code into a testing code. So we click the command code here. A testing code has been generated for testing, and we run. Okay, we can according into the output information to update our code and generate the code here. So here, if the code is meet our requirement, we can save the code here. And this is for export the diagram with the name we enter. For example, I want to export the diagram with UML2, click export. Okay, the diagram has exported successfully, and we can export our code. The two codes have been exported separately. We click one b.java. So this code is same with our generated code. And here is the upload button. This function has some limitation because the web page cannot access to the local machine for the security. And this function is aimed to the user can enter the repository here and write some comments and choose the file they have been generated, and click the git push that will commit and push their generated code and files into the GitHub account. Okay, that's it all my function. Thank you for your watching.